Good evening, everyone. My name is Sam. Our topic for today is about environmental stakeholder support, environmental and ecological stewardship, environmental decision-making process, environmental leadership identity, leadership opportunities, and environmental careers. First, first is environmental stakeholder support. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success by He I Part. Why should a company spend money to conserve natural resources or cut down pollution? There are at least eight reasons. One, the company needs community support to continue activities. Second, the company needs regulator license to continue the activity. Three, the company must have made an environmental policy and report in the past. Fourth, environment friendliness differentiates a firm and its product that give competitive advantage. Consumers are getting increasingly aware about toxic chemical in product and ecological footprint of products and life cycle costs. Six, there is going to increase scarcity of resource raw materials and global common that force education of waste and more conservation. Seven, environmental or NGOs have high intellectual capital and influencing ability that most of the firms. Eight, universities and research installations are bringing out new technologies, and if your firm does not embrace it, your competitor will use to gain competitive advantage. Be sure to enlist environmental stakeholders more. The base on which sustainability and conservation can be valued by a firm is to take on board the indigenous people, local people, the cultural diversity, and local NGOs. Corporation is the foundation of any organization with a mission and vision. Success of business on the long term requires the cooperation of all the stakeholders in the three levels. Cooperation of all does not come automatically and effort are needed. International ecological debate and critique. The negative and positive effect on the environment by firm actions are transmitted to the next generation. This subsequent generation are also a stakeholder group. Whether a firm builds an ecological debate or credit for the future generation is to access periodically and disclose to the public. If the decisions are taken on the prem-
Premise.
premise,
Premise.
premise that the present is borrowed from the future generation and not inherited from the past. A better future will be created, which is assist of
Essence.
sustainable business.
Crush.
Environmental and ecological stewardship. Environmental steward, business become environmental and ecological stewardship. Environmental steward strive to sustain natural resources and the planet Earth system without the degradation for future generation. Environment is a common heritage and no one particular generation has any exclusive right of ownership over it because each citizen is expected to act like a steward in managing environmental resources. Business has an added responsibility to responsible care for the environment as they add value to product and thus gather financial rewards. While making or distributing or finally depositing such a product of a firm, it's either grows from the natural resource directly or degrades the environment indirectly. Thus, a business firm has a duty to assume leadership role, becoming environment friendly, and to spend for the restoration of the environment for future generations. Water stewardship. Some government and voluntary association have taken up water stewardship as any activity protecting safe and renewable community water supplies and encourage water smart activities and action. Food and cloth are two powerful processes related to water, emphasizing quality of life and public health. Environmental decision making process. Decisions come from internet and are shaped by the environmental values of firm. Most people like to make decisions and while they are at the diverse seat with string while it hung. They don't like others to dictate or direct. Decentralized decision making. Bring decision making and governance inclusive and closer to the people or citizens is considered a mark of good governance. Participatory decision making. The benefits of participation are increased performance, moral, motivation, quality, or overall organizational effectiveness and competitiveness. Major issues that need to be addressed by the leadership while establishing participation as a key principle and produce of any organization. Leadership identity. Identity is defined as sense of continuous self MC Win 2003, identity is applied to the process of the leadership that can be understood with the help of psychological
Eh? Chickering.
Chickering and Research 1993 and cognitive theories. Leadership is a relational process of people working together to accomplish. Leadership identity development. Leadership development occurs in stages that are not linear but cyclical, which is stage ending with transition phase, which is a more reflective than active period. Achievement of each stage is influenced by many constituent factors and by each individual variation of rights. I cannot edit na to.
Yun na.
Okay. Leadership opportunities in environmental careers. Environmental careers offers opportunities for environmental leadership in a wide range of industries and sectors. Even an apprentice ecologist taking photographs with environmental issues or aspects. That's all. Check.